Right, so I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag 2. So if you want to start on a clean slate, you can reset it by first of all removing the battery. So you can use the SIM ejector tool, put it in that little hole in there, and then just push hard until the battery enclosure pops off or pops out like that. You might need to use a considerable amount of force. Okay, so once that is out, then just pull out the battery. Now, when you pull out the battery, after some time, you want to take the battery back in. But remember, there's a button hidden underneath the Samsung Galaxy Tag 2, the Galaxy Smart Tag 2 wording. So there's a button under here. So what you need to do is push the battery back in while pressing and holding this button. Okay, so press and hold, and then push the battery in without letting go. So just press and hold, and then push the battery in, and continue holding. Just keep holding for another like 10 seconds and continue holding. There you go. You're gonna hear that sound. Just keep holding. There you go. You hear two sounds, and then you hear that. Now once you hear those three sounds, it means you can now let go. You have successfully hard reset your Galaxy Smart Tag 2. Thanks for watching and good luck.